Today, we will be showing you how to use recommended charts. Use the workbook from the previous exercise. Click the Data Worksheet tab. Select cells A2 through F3. Click the Insert tab. Then click Recommended Charts button. Notice that Excel recommends 4 chart types. Click the line chart and then click OK. Click the Move Chart button and in the New Sheet box, type Coffee Line. Click OK. Click the Data Worksheet tab. Select cells A2 through B7. On the Insert tab, click Recommended Charts. Notice the 3 chart types recommended this time. Click Cancel. Select A2 through F7 and click Recommended Charts button. Look at each of the suggested choices and scan the description. Click Cancel. Select A8 through F8 and click the Recommended Charts button. Notice that these choices are even different from the options. Click Cancel. Select A2 through F2. Hold down Control. Select A8 through F8. Click the Recommended Charts button. Notice that the chart choices are the same as the figure 12 through 9 because the first row includes years and the second row includes values. Click OK. Click the Move Chart button and in the New Sheet box, type Total Line. Click OK. Save the workbook.